The most exciting part is that we come to this little magnetic anomaly and we can literally outline something that looks like an ore body. An ore body, by definition, means that you can mine it at a profit.
Royal Crown's lead geologist, the respected Dr. Walter Paraderi, is pleased to announce the results of the 30-hole diamond drilling program at Bessemer No. 3.
The potential for mining at this stage, I would say, is very good. According to my estimates, they're actually almost twice as good as the normal iron formation.
The historic Bessemer iron ore mine, located in Bancroft, Ontario, Canada, was open-pit mined 100 years ago for over a decade.
Stockpile was mined towards the end of 1917 or so because of the fact that the demand was falling off. Had about 50 or so thousand tons left right on the surface. And it's mostly massive magnetite.
Royal Crown will take advantage of record-high iron ore spot prices to liquidate the high-grade stockpile in the third quarter of 2008. The price tag is estimated to be more than $7 million.
As a result of the exploration work that we have done so far at Bessemer No. 3, we know the mineralization is there, and in fact we intersected a true width of about 55 meters, averaging 49% weighted average magnetite content. That means you're going to have lots of massive stuff and probably some which is below 40%. So the average comes out to be that way. In terms of the actual size, I would say minimum 4 to 5 million tons. The grade that we're getting over here and the grade that has been reported from Bessemer No. 4 is literally the same. It's also probably doing some plunging, and here it might be rising again because we know the magnetic signature is quite high. There is great continuity to this horizon. It goes from number 1, number 2, number 3, and the main Bessemer deposit over here, which is at least 2-3 kilometers in length. And all of it is popping up to the surface, so therefore we know that it's probably one on the same horizon. There is more skarns further up north where we have the Rankin deposit and the Childs, and a huge deposit slightly further to the northeast called Stevens.
Previous drill results at both Childs and Rankin have proven 10 million tons each. The Stevens deposit alone is expected to have over 500 million tons of iron ore at a grade of 35%. Royal Crown will further investigate the largest magnetite zones with additional diamond drilling.
Iron properties in this area are one of the most common places, in Canada. In terms of the market, all we have to do is ship this material to the Hamilton area here, and it can be ready for steel production within a very short time. Hamilton is close by to Toronto, and Toronto is a handy port area which can be used for shipping the ore globally then. Literally, we can put it into production within very short time.
Royal Crown Ventures' 30-hole diamond drilling results are expected to be 43-101 compliant in the next 60 days. Expect further developments to be released as soon as they become available.